4 inches Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. Resolution 1080 by 2340 pixels, 19.5 to 9 aspect ratio, Corning Gorilla Glass 3. OS Android 10.0 with One UI 2. Chipset Exynos 9611, GPU Mali G72 MP3. 4 and 6 GB RAM, 64 and 128 GB internal storage. Triple mean camera, 48 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel depth sensor, LED flash, 20 megapixel wide selfie camera. Fingerprint scanner, rear mounted. Dual SIM, Nano SIM, dual standby, 3.5mm audio jack, USB 2.0 Type-C. Non-removable leap of 6000 mAh battery, fast charging 15 watts.